Hey there friends, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can salvage blurry photos and make them much sharper. So I'll be using dall-e from ChatGPT, and I'll be clicking on this plus icon, creating an image, then clicking on edit an image. Alternatively, I can just drag and drop my picture here. Let's see if it loads. I think there we go. Wrong file format. So once I've dragged my photo in, I can describe it. So let's take a closer look at it first. You can see that the subject is kind of in focus, but while taking the picture, maybe the photographer was bumped by a passerby, so the final product ended up being a little blurry. So here's a blurry photo. So we can start writing our prompt. I'll describe the photo and the adjustments I wanted to make. So here's a blurry photo. Here's a blurry photo taken with a handheld camera. I want it to be sharpened and the motion blur / smearing on the subject to be removed, while the motion blur and the background to be preserved. Let's see what ChatGPT can salvage from this. So it's gonna take a second or two to analyze, and then it's gonna start creating a new image. This usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. The good thing about AI tools such as these is that you don't need much experience with photo editing software like Photoshop or Adobe Lightroom to achieve good results. And here's our finished product, and that looks leagues better than what we started with. Overall, I'm very pleased, though I did notice it didn't preserve some of the original color temperature. So let's see if I can get it to adjust that for me as well. Can you match the color temperature of this image with the original? So sometimes ChatGPT might misinterpret a prompt. So that's why it's important to be very descriptive about what you want to happen, such as here in our original prompt. But in cases like these, there will also be options presented to you through different responses. So let's click on this response and give it some time to finish editing the photo for us. And there we go. So now some of that original tint from the first photo has been preserved. And I'd say overall, I'm very pleased with this outcome. So I'll go ahead and download that photo for future use. And hopefully I was able to teach you something new. Thank you for watching.